I was a physicist working on a project to detect dark matter. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up most of the mass of the universe, but does not interact with light or ordinary matter. We only know it exists because of its gravitational effects on galaxies and stars. My team and I had built a detector deep underground, shielded from any interference from cosmic rays or other sources of noise. The detector was a large tank filled with liquid xenon, surrounded by sensitive photomultiplier tubes that could catch the faint flashes of light produced by rare collisions between dark matter particles and xenon atoms. We had been running the detector for months, but had not seen any convincing signals of dark matter. We were getting frustrated and impatient, wondering if our experiment was flawed or if dark matter was even real. One night, I decided to stay late at the lab, hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive dark matter. I was alone in the control room, monitoring the data on a computer screen. The detector was silent and dark, except for the occasional blip of background radiation. Suddenly, I saw something that made my heart skip a beat. A bright flash of light appeared on the screen, followed by another and another. They were coming from different locations in the detector, indicating multiple events. They were too strong and too frequent to be random noise. They looked like dark matter collisions. I jumped off my seat and ran to the phone, eager to call my colleagues and share the news. But before I could dial the number, I heard a loud bang from the direction of the detector. I turned around and saw a cloud of smoke rising from the floor. The detector had exploded. I felt a wave of heat and shock hit me, knocking me off my feet. I fell to the ground, bleeding and burned. I tried to crawl to the door, but it was too late. The fire had spread to the control room, engulfing everything in flames. I screamed in pain and terror, wondering what had gone wrong. What had caused the detector to blow up? Was it a malfunction? A sabotage? A freak accident? Or was it something else? Was it possible that we had actually detected dark matter, but not the kind we expected? Was it possible that dark matter was not just inert and invisible, but also active and hostile? Was it possible that dark matter had sensed our attempt to observe it and reacted with violence? Was it possible that dark matter was alive and angry?